Okay, no check lights or anything. Let's see. Okay, the battery is low, it won't turn on. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you have seen in my previous vlog, I have removed this tank panel and have interchanged this fuel cap. So I have mounted back the hose pipes. One is for the fuel exhaust, one is the evap fuel overflow, and this is for the evap. So I have put it back. So next what we do is we'll mount it back. So before mounting we need to use this this is the rubber holding which will come here, so you need to just align it and place it on your tank. This one. So before, first we need to align and put it back here, and then we'll directly put the tank cap on the tank panel. This is on the tank. So I'll remove all these screws, so these are not used now. So you see, this rubber gasket also needs to be properly aligned, or else there will be a gap. So I just need to align this. Now this is done, and there is this gap which exactly goes here. You can see this. So this is how you need to align properly. So this comes from the top. I finally fitted the tank cap on the tank panel, and also you can see backside the hoses are being fitted. So now just installing this on the tank. That's just the straightforward, and there are 6 screws you need to mount it. So if you're slightly, the rubber is popping out, once you mount the screws it aligns back. So as you can see here, it's slightly gone what is it inside, but it will align back once you put all the screws. So no need to worry about that. So this is my tank cap mount. So I will be mounting this on top and then mounting it back. So before I mount, I'll just make sure this rubber is aligned. So after that I'll be mounting my tank cap. Finally the tank has been perfectly mounted. I have to check this, open and close. It is perfect right now. And see the panel gaps here, and here I've just mounted these 2 screws. It's done. Now I have to mount this one, 2 and 3, 4, and this 5 screws. So I'll be mounting them on both the sides, and then that's it. The tank mount has been done. After that I have to mount the side panels, and that's it. The tank cap is done, replaced. Okay, finally the tank screws are mounted. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 and 5 screws which are mounted. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on the left side, and the same thing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's done. Now I'll put this side panel first. Just make sure every wires are fine. Since I've already opened up, just cross checking all the wires and everything. Now I'll be mounting my side panels. Okay, this will be mounting first. These panels will be mounting, and then on top of that the side panels. And also we need to mount this side panel, which is this one. Let's do this. Okay, this side panel is done, and also this side panel is done. So next we will be fitting these panels. You can see. Okay, these are the 4 mounting screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's done this side panel. Now this is just a slide in. You can see this. Just slides in there and just mount here and here screws. Okay, this is done. So we'll be doing the same on the left side also. Okay guys, even on the left side the panel is done. So with that the tank cap replacement is done. So I have to replace the rubber mounts which sit behind this. So I've ordered it, so it will take another 1 week to receive. Once that is done, I will be fitting this back. So let's see whether it works or no. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. So let's turn on the engine. I don't know, it's been more than 2 weeks since I last started. Okay, no check lights or anything. Let's see. Okay, the battery is low, it won't turn on. You shit, I need to. The battery is very low. Let me try once again. Okay, there is no point in turning on, the battery is low. I have to change my battery also, so that will be showing in the next episode. For now there is no check lights. You can see if there was a check light it would have come here. So all the wiring, mounts, everything is proper. And also I've removed this, what is it, exhaust valve cable, because I have this heel tech. You can see this heel tech. So that was the thing pending. Anyhow, opened the bike, so I removed this part. That's no use. Yeah, I will change my battery first and then try to start her up. For now, that's it in this episode. How you saw how I replaced my tank cap, which was old and not working properly, and mounted back the entire fairings. That's it. So see you in the next episode, where I will be showing how I'll replace my batteries, and next is these mount points, which will be coming in a week. Okay guys, that's it. See you again. Bye bye.